This video will cover installing a NASCAR style wicker bill on your 3rd gen Camaro. This wicker bill is made by Moro Motorsports. The first step is to deburr the pre-drilled holes and edges. Prep the aluminum with 120 grit sandpaper. Pop the trunk and remove the plastic plugs. Then remove the stock spoiler bolts. Clean up any dirt underneath the spoiler. Mark the hole locations using the wicker bill as a template, and then drill the required holes. Fasten the wicker bill to the stock spoiler with the supplied hardware, and then drill the remaining holes. Test fit the wicker bill to ensure that nothing rubs. Use a degreaser to prep the wicker bill and the spoiler for paint. Paint the new wicker bill with your color of choice. I chose Honda Black. Fasten the wicker bill to the spoiler. Install the wicker bill combo on the deck lid, and then reinstall the spoiler bolts and plastic caps. Putting function aside, this wicker bill looks pretty good. I did the math and found this wicker bill to be very effective. It makes 250 pounds of downforce at 40 miles per hour and 300 pounds of downforce at 70 miles per hour. The speed that I carried in a few turns at my local autocross would not have been possible without the wicker bill. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram for behind the scenes updates.